guys, welcome back to a new video. Trying to find the right lighting. So y'all, I just got done shooting a week in my life video. I've been watching a lot on YouTube. I thought it'd be cool to shoot one of myself. And so I just got done shooting that, and right now I'm about to make breakfast. I'm just gonna make some bagels and like a turkey bagel sandwich with eggs, you know, something chill. And then after that I do have to go. I always like blank out whenever I'm about to record because I just forget like everything I'm about to say, and I promised myself I was gonna look here and not here this time. You're not gonna get me. So on the agenda today, I have to do laundry, I have to go to the bank, I have to go to the dollar store and get like those bootleg mop things, and then what else, start editing a new YouTube video that I shot earlier and call Best Buy. So I know that was super random, but there's that. But right now I'm going to start with making my bacon and egg sandwich, bagel sandwich looking thing. I tend to only do plain bagels when I do it. I know some people do whatchamacallit, but I'm going to tell you the secret. I'm going to just fast forward and show you guys what I'm making, and then I'm going to show y'all the secret to getting bomb ass bagel sandwiches. Let me calm down because I don't know why I'm doing all that. So, this is what's gonna make or break your bagel sandwiches. Everything but the bagel seasoning. I believe you can get it at Trader Joe's. Well, it says Trader Joe's right there. But this quick outfit that I can show you guys as soon as this clears up. There we go. Just want to show you guys my OTTD. This is a turtleneck. It's really cute. I got it from Garage, and the pants are from Hollister. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna wear my white Air Forces. But just want to show you guys, just in case anyone was wondering. No one probably was, but you know, whatever. No, I said, is it cold outside? No. Huh? No. Let me check the weather, because what's y'all cold? Because my cold is anything below 70. 55? Oh, I'm putting on a jacket. See, this, never trust dudes from the Bay Area talking about something ain't cold outside. It's 55 degrees. They got me bent. I have to put it like this, guys, until I fully learn. Until I know how to do like the blur in the background, like right here, I get nervous about people seeing where I live. So for now, y'all are gonna have to be right here. I'm sorry. It's really pretty. It's a pretty day. I have a lot of stuff to do today, and I really want to get it done. I'll hit you guys up after I get back from the bank. I don't know. I like vlogging, but I will say that I do like sit down videos more, just because it's less time consuming, and then vlogs throughout the day, it's just a lot to keep up with. And I was talking to my boyfriend about it, and I was like, damn, when I vlog, I just feel like my whole day was just to my camera versus me like enjoying my day instead of bringing you guys along every 2 seconds, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna do more sit down videos than vlogs personally, and then maybe I'll do like a weekly vlog. That way it doesn't feel like I'm picking up the camera throughout the entire day, and I'm just giving you guys little clips and snippets of like throughout my week. I might do that instead, just because vlogs are just, it's another thing to keep up with, and I don't know. Got to the dollar store. I'm gonna go in. I'm not gonna bring my tripod. I'm gonna bring the camera. I'm not gonna bring my tripod just because people are gonna be staring at me. So let me just screw this tripod off. Like, oh, this is weird. This is my first time going in there with the Canon instead of my phone. So this is gonna be interesting. I just need to pick up a mop because the condensation on our roof of the bathroom for some reason is leaving like little weird water droplets, and I don't like it at all. So Yeah, something like this is what I'm looking for, but I don't know what I would attach this to. Like, what do I attach this to? You know? Like, they just have these available, but I don't know. Like, what the hell? Oh, I guess the stick part. But to what? Where's the stick? This is exactly what I'm looking for. Ugh, I'm so angry. This trip was a fail. So I'm gonna head to Best Buy now because I couldn't find what I was looking for. Yo, I just thought about it and oh my god. I still have to do the clothes. I still gotta do laundry. And it's like, yes, theoretically, I could just tell my boyfriend to do it, but for my ladies, if y'all know, y'all know. So, okay, just kidding. We have to do a pit stop at Gillen's Market, Gelson's. I've only been in here like 2 or 3 times. I know I used to come here when I used to work at Staples back in the day. Iodized salt. I just gotta find it. Let me ask. Excuse me. Do you know where? Oh, I love your hair color. Do you know where I can find iodized salt?
Like for salt, any regular salt?
Yes. I got the iodized salt. Market. Very clean. It definitely reminds me of Publix vibes. Okay. Now I am on my way to Best Buy. Best Buy is like in this low-key ass area, like under the garage. Super weird. Okay, let me call my friend Sierra and see what she wants to do. I got that settled. I'm about to go home and then afterwards I will see you guys once I get home. It got really hot real fast out of nowhere, so maybe 55 in California is pretty hot. I don't know, maybe my boyfriend is wearing off on me on this Bay Area shit. Hey. Hey. Hey, baby. Guys, I am so tired. I'm almost done. Zuko, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, I'm almost done with the clothes and then I'm gonna take a shower, do maybe a little face mask, and probably play some Animal Crossing because I think I've been productive today. You know, and even though it feels like I did get stuff done on my agenda, but even though it feels like I could have done more with today as far as like getting down to editing and stuff, I'm not gonna beat myself up because at the end of the day I still did a lot of things on my list, and I still am gonna pat myself on the back for doing that because I feel like I shouldn't beat myself up and you shouldn't beat yourself up just because you didn't do every single little thing on your agenda. So I got more than 3/4 of it done, so I'm happy about that. But let's finish cleaning. I can start running my shower because your girl needs to take this no makeup vibe look off, and then probably gonna put on this mask. Bougie, yes, I'm slight but hoes, you know what I'm saying? But okay, let me finish these towels and then I'll get back to y'all. about to run my shower. Oh yes, the sound of knowing that I'm about to get clean. Okay, so I'm about to take a shower and then I will hit you guys up when I am out. So I just washed my face with Noxzema. As y'all know, that's my go-to. My friend was like, do not do a skincare routine and tell people that you use Noxzema because they're gonna automatically assume that it's like, they're like, don't do that. Apparently she thinks it's disrespectful because she actually has acne and she thinks it's disrespectful to make a skincare routine video using Noxzema, so I won't use it. But I am gonna go in with my pore toner. You can get this at CVS. I like the Target brand just a little bit better. I feel like it does more, but to each its own. I'll start my face mask. Ow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this mask. I got it from CVS. It's like a tea tree relief. And how to use: cleanse and tone your face, unfold, single-use mask, apply the contours of your face, adjusting around eyes and mouth, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Wash to your neck and body. Fancy. I can open this. Okay. I'm gonna get the scissors. So just open this right on up. I never actually use this one. I just get random face masks all the time from, I hope I didn't cut the mask. Just rub it in. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to do it a little bit higher, but I was too scared to actually do it because of my hair. So it says to leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna leave this on for 12. And it's 6:30. I will get back to you guys at 6:40. Okay, I'm back. I kind of ripped this on accident. Well, is it here? I don't feel a difference. But oh, it is a little softer. Face with water. I'm gonna pat and spray my face. Let me lotion my face because I don't know about y'all, but my face gets really dry. And pro tip, well, not pro, but my mom always taught me to, when you're putting on something on your face, always go up instead of dragging your skin down. Well, that's gonna end this vlog. Productive day. I think I did pretty good. I don't care what y'all said. At the end of the day, I did that, and that's on period. But I'm tired, and to be honest, I'm probably gonna watch Animal Crossing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, if there's noise in the background, that's my boyfriend. If you guys don't know, he has a group called OldSouls with him and his best friend, and they make really good music, and down below it'll be linked to listen to their new songs that they have out. Myself. But okay guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to join the Yin Yang fam, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.